Ну что, погнали.
Погнали.
Времена года. What is год?
Year,
What is время?
time,
What is время года?
time of the year.
Time of the year. What does it mean?
The 4 seasons.
Yeah! It's the
Beautiful.
season.
Beautiful.
Сколько времен года существует? У нас 3 времени года, 4 или 9?
4.
И что это за времена года? Какие они бывают? Осень.
Осень.
Осень. Зима.
Зима.
Весна.
Весна.
Лето.
Лето. Лето.
Лето.
Лето.
Лето.
Лето.
Что такое год, Антон, еще раз?
Year,
Сколько месяцев в году? How many
12.
months? И какие же они существуют? Какой у нас первый месяц года?
Январь.
Браво. Антон, what is the second month of the year in Russian?
Февраль,
What about the third?
март,
Какой у нас первый месяц весны?
Марс.
Март. Второй месяц весны у нас. Апрель.
Апрель.
Как насчет следующего месяца?
Май.
Какой у нас первый месяц лета?
Июнь.
Июнь. Июнь.
Как насчет второго?
Июль.
Какой у нас последний месяц лета?
Август.
Какой у нас первый месяц осени? Сентябрь.
Сентябрь.
Какой у нас второй месяц осени? Октябрь.
Октябрь.
Spain. Then November is ноябрь.
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 Октябрь.
Какой у нас последний месяц года?
Декабрь.
Подберите прилагательное к каждому времени года. Холодное.
Холодная. Cold.
Какое время года может быть холодным?
зима,
Позднее. Late.
Весна.
What can be теплое?
warm,
Весна.
Раннее. Теплый. What does it mean again?
warm,
What is
Oh yeah,
teplое?
is a neuter ending, I believe, Professor, right?
Right. So
So we're looking for not a feminine or masculine, but a neuter ending, which in the nouns is usually o. Oh.
yeah, and
Лето.
warm.
Теплое. Лето.
Лето.
Сухое.
dry, лето,
Жаркое.
Лето.
Золотая.
golden,
Осень. Осень. Yeah, золотая осень. Суровая.
Суровая. Суровая.
Суровое.
Суровый means severe. What can be severe here?
Зима.
Зима. Красная.
осень,
Oh yeah. It's ends in oh yeah. So осень is feminine.
лето,
Лето.
Yes. Красное
Красное.
лето. Красное comes from the word beautiful. Remember.
Yeah, красная.
Красное лето. Beautiful summer. Бесснежная. Here there is a word снег.
Snow.
The без means without snow. Yeah? Бесснежная is something that is snowless. Снег обычно идет зимой. So, если зима бесснежная, то она бесснежная. Дождливая.
Rainy. Весна. Весна.
Дождливая. Дождливая.
But I would rather say it осень. Because usually it's autumn is rainy. Дождливый means rainy. Rainy. It comes from the word rain. Because we have here,
Oh.
actually, we have here дождь, just without the soft sign, right? Yeah, lovioso, yes.
Sometimes dождь is rain. Plain dождь.
Yeah, дождь is a noun, right? It responds to the question, what rain? What do we have today? We have rain. All right. And дождливый is an adjective. What season are we having now? The rainy season. Яркое. Actually,
Bright?
yes. Bright.
Okay.
Yes.
осень,
Весна.
Yeah.
Лето.
Let's make it весна. No, лето cannot be because we have here oh yeah everywhere. Yeah, we
Okay.
have ая, so it can be either зима, весна, or осень. Дождливое,
Лето.
теплое.
Весна.
Teplaya zima.
Грустно.
Zima.
But usually they say that the fall is sad because it's raining, and when it's raining, it's actually crying.
Oh. Cool.
Because rain is tears, right?
Yeah, very
So,
good.
So that's why it's грустная. Влажная. Влажная is wet. Лето. Yes.
Лето.
Слякотная.
Slak.
Слякот is a slash.
Thank you.
Winter.
Hmm?
Winter.
Zima.
Can be.
Зима.
I would go for весна or осень. But okay, can be as well.
Winter.
Yes, please. The pronunciation again for slash, please.
Слякотная. Yeah.
Slakatnaya. Thank you. Yes, slakatnaya. Slakatnaya.
Wonderful. Прекрасная.
Весна.
Долгожданная. Can you guess what it means? Try to split the word like this here.
Waiting long.
Waiting long. Waiting long. Yeah. Долгожданная. Long awaited. So what can be long awaited?
Весна.
Осень.
Весна or осень. Метельная. Метельная comes from the word метель, a blizzard.
Зима.
Snezhnaya. Sorry,
yeah.
snezhnaya.
Snowy. Snowy.
Snowy. So
Yes,
which-
snowy.
Зима.
okay, ветреная.
Лето.
Windy.
А.
Чудесная.
Весна.
Студенная. Студеный comes from the word стужа, which means severe cold.
Зима.
Зима. Печальный means sorrowful.
Осень.
Ocean is like a synonym of грустная.
Yes, душная. What does it mean? Something that is airless.
Snezhnaya leta.
And знойная.
Scorching hot.
Солнечная. Sunny. Морозная. Морозная comes from the word frost. What can be frosty?
Зима.
Зима.
Зима. What is затяжная? Something that lasts too long than it's supposed to last.
Zima.
Засушливый. Засушливый means something that is droughty.
Лето.
About прохладное. Прохладное it's something that is not too cold, not warm either.
Koluchya. Koluchya.
Yeah, what can be prickly, like a
Prickly.
cactus?
Prickly heat.
What makes water be too prickly? Yeah, when water can be prickly. When it is in its hard state, right? In which season the water can be in hard state?
I would suggest just as the water freezes before
Yeah.
it becomes deep, the top layer, when you break it up, is prickly. Many little pieces of ice that can stick you.
Yes, in
That
what
are
season
not
would happen?
cubes and not thick ice, but a thin sheet of ice that breaks into pieces that are prickly to your feel.
Yes.
Осень може быть.
So it's winter.
It can be only either winter or the early spring. Грозовое.
Under. Лето.
Yeah, жаркое.
Not hot. Лето.
Лето. Прохладное.
Осень.
What can be мрачное? Like gloomy.
Zima day.
Безветренное.
Лето.
And быстротечно. We have here the word быстро and течь.
Vuistra.
Быстро means fast, right? Да. And течь means about the time here, yeah? Means to last too fast.
Лето.
And седая means gray.
Sky.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
The
The sky can be gray. Yes,
Gray?
but in the boy, when is it gray?
Zima.
uh,
Zima, winter.
Зима и осень, both.